Hey YouTube, so I have a toilet that intermittently runs. Doesn't run all the time, but every once in a while, all of a sudden you'll hear that shh, like the water's coming in. I took a look at my valve and I took a look at my flapper and they both seem to be okay. What I actually think the problem is down here with this overflow hose. I think I have it down too far and it needs to be higher. I'm actually gonna raise it so it's above the level of the water. I'm actually gonna take it, I'm gonna go get a scissor, I'm gonna cut it because now I don't want it to sit too high, but it shouldn't be sitting as far down as it is. It should be above the water level. Okay, so I just took my scissor and I cut off about that much. Still leaves me plenty of room, but I'm gonna pop this back in now. And now it should be higher. Now it's only going down. It should be above the water level. I'm actually gonna put this back on now. And I believe that's gonna fix my problem. It's a strange thing how that happens, but I have seen that before, so I do think that's my problem because everything else looks good. I'll know for sure in a little while. There's always a couple other things you could check. If you have a flapper, I have a little different type than a lot of people, but if you have a regular flapper, you can make sure that the flapper is good. In my case, like I said, I've checked that and I've checked the valve. This comes off and that'll look good to me. So I actually think that this is my problem. So I'm going to leave this like this and I think everything is going to be fine going forward. Believe it or not, I think it's that simple. If not, I will add to this video and let you know what I have to do, but I think should be good to go going forward. Hey YouTube, okay, so it's been about a day since I put my fix in and the toilet has stopped running. This is one of those things where it could drive you a little crazy. You change out other parts and you're still having the problem. You need to make sure if you do have a similar problem to mine that that overflow hose that goes in there is above the water line. And I think if you do that, you're gonna find it solves your problem. Anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.